How much have you been paying to the dealerships or mechanics to have your engine air filter replaced? $40? $50? $100? Or more than that? Crazy! Save that money now. How? Get an OEM quality engine air filter. I bought mine on Amazon for only $13.77. That's more than $10 less than the dealer charges for the part. Plus, it had free shipping. It's the premium 17220 R40A00 engine air filter for my 2009 Honda Accord. The 17220 R40A00 Honda air filter is a direct fit replacement for the original filter, which means it just drops right in with no hassle or fit issues. It is guaranteed to be the same or better quality than the original that came with your car, or your money back. I've been using mine for 6 months, and my engine is purring along, good as new. If you have a different model or year, you can check the link below this video to see fitment information for your vehicle. Never allow any dealerships or mechanics, or even worse, those quick lube type places, to do the replacement job for you. You can do it yourself in 5 minutes or less with a screwdriver. That's it.